Good morning and welcome back to the Vietnam Motorbike Tour. Today will be from Da Nang to Hue, and where else am I going? Nowhere. Anyway, also I'll be riding through the Haivan Pass, made famous by Top Gear. I've never seen that episode, but evidently it made this pass along the coast and the mountains very popular, so that's what I'll be doing with the stop in Hue, which is about 120 kilometers away, so no hurry. I already have my hotel reservation arranged, so just enjoy the ride. I'll get there when I get there. I'm trying to slow down a little bit and take in the scenery. Also, maybe you're noticing the audio sounds better, but I got the DJI Mic 2. Hopefully this is going to cut down the wind noise. I'm going to change the settings quite a bit. Turn the gain down because it's very adjustable with this mic because it's DJI OEM kind of stuff, you know. So they work together well with the Action 4 that I use. So hopefully I can get some good audio. The question is, where can I place the mic in my helmet? Because it is a rental helmet. It's like I cannot make alterations to it. So I sort of got to fit it in where I can get it in kind of thing. So anyway, it's going to be a good ride. And then I'm actually looking forward to the next. Today will be a beautiful ride, supposedly through the Haivan, whatever pass it is. Anyway, I'm going through it. And then I'll be going up to Saigon after that. So a lot of history there. Me being an American, of course, there's a lot of history, and most of it's not good. So I'm looking forward to that, and I'll be riding the Ho Chi Minh Road. Very excited about that. It's supposed to be a great ride. I'm going to get the bike loaded up. I have, however, I picked up a rain jacket, which I'm excited about. I couldn't find. Here's the thing: if you got a little gut on you and a fat ass, it's hard to find things that fit in Vietnam. So I did pick up a rain jacket. It did come with rain pants, but the jacket's like a 2XL. But I'm pretty sure those pants were like a medium. They came with it, because as soon as I pulled them out, I was like, yeah, that ain't happening. So I just gave them away. I just told the shopkeeper, I was like, I'll buy the rain set, and you can do what you want to with these pants, because there's no sense in me keeping them. Because I can never see it for a day in the next, well, I am losing weight, but I cannot foresee the day where that's going to happen in the near future where I'd fit into those things. So anyway, I did get the rain jacket, and I also got a rain cover for my backpack, which I have condensed down now into one backpack. So I got rid of a few things to make it fit easier. Makes it easier to strap to the bike and easier to cover with the rain cover. So lightened my load a little bit, but added some things as well. So I'm looking forward to today's ride, and let's get to it. Hopefully this mic is transmitting well. We're on the way. It's our first nice little view on the pass. Had a little trouble working out the mic, and here comes a big old truck. Yeah. Microphone's in a better position. The visor is open. We'll see how this sound goes. And the views are beautiful and the ride's fantastic. Hue, that's my destination. I don't know if you've seen it on the sign, but it was Hue, and it's approximately 85 kilometers away. Seen a lot of people doing the pass today, which is popular. It is literally, I think, the most popular road for like a foreigner to come ride a motorbike. Because out of Da Nang, you can do it. You can just do it in the afternoon. You can go there and back. It only took me about a half hour to get out of Da Nang. People just came by with rain gear, which makes me wonder.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Look at the green. It's so green. It is a little bit what we'd call chilly. I'm going to drop the visor. Okay, visor's down now. Let's see if the sound's better. Of course, I will know in editing before y'all will, but we got some cafes up here. I might have to stop and get a warm coffee. Oh, it's a scenic overlook. Oh, Haivan Pass, scenic overlook. Well, I do enjoy a scenic overlook, particularly when it has hot coffee. Yeah, let's park here. Okay, the day's ride is done. I checked into the Hotel Hue. This is the Salil Hostel. It says hostel, but it's not really a hostel. There's no dorms. It's just a hotel. I think they just used the name. I'll put the link in the description, but see, got a basic bed. It's firm, but it's not like the craziness of some places. Got a oh, there we go. Oh, got a nice bathroom. Okay, I like it. Looking forward to a shower. Today's ride, of course, had the pass went through. That was good curvy mountain roads, nice mist in the air. It was really, sat down and had a wonderful coffee up there while it was nice and chilly. But after that, it was pretty much first just a drizzle of rain, and then it rained. So I got my first taste of some riding in some rain in Vietnam, and I got to say, I'm not a fan. I'm just not a fan of it. It reminds me of that old saying, the difference between an ordeal and an adventure. It's an ordeal when it's happening, and it's an adventure when you retell a story. Well, I'm still in the ordeal phase. So I'm just going to grab some food up to the room. I'm going to chill and relax, take a shower, get dry, eat some good food. Till then, enjoy yourself. It's later than you think. Good morning and welcome back to the Vietnam Motorbike blog. Really? Do you know what you're talking about? Okay. Good morning and welcome back to the Vietnam Motorbike Tour. Today, we're going from Da Nang to Hue, H-U-E, with a bunch of little things above the letters. I really don't know how it's pronounced. Anyway, but today we're going to the Haivan Pass? Haivan Pass? Okay. Good morning and welcome back to the Vietnam Motorbike blog. 1, 2, 3.